As you can read here, a server is nothing but a computer program or a device that provides functionality for other programs or devices called clients. And this architecture is called the client-server model. Keep this model in mind as we'll talk a bit more about it again. Basically, server is a destination where your website is kept for people to access. Even your laptop can be a server if your website is stored there, but often we buy it from server companies because for our website to be accessible at all times, the server should be on and connected to the internet at all times. Okay students, now coming back to the client-server model that I mentioned before, in the next chapters and section throughout, we'll very often use this word called client. And so it is very important to understand what it means. A client is nothing but you, or more specifically, your computer or your browser, which sends requests on your behalf to the server. And the server, which as we read in the definition before, is a computer program or a hardware device that responds to such requests. This entire interaction and the relation between the client and server is called the client-server model. As we'll progress in the field of web development, you will very often read about this relationship in technical articles, so it would be very beneficial if you understand it right now. I think that should make it clear to you guys what is a server and what client-server model is. In the next chapter, we'll cover a little more about this client-server model and see what kind of activities happen on the server end and on the client end. See you in our next session.